Troubleshooting of the air conditioning signal circuit. Turn the ignition switch on. Momentarily connect the ECM/PCM connector A terminal, A24, brown with yellow wire, and connector E terminal, E18, red wire, with a jumper wire several times. At this time, check that a clicking sound is heard from the air conditioner compressor clutch at each moment the terminals are jumped. If the clicking sound is heard, start the engine. Turn the blower switch and the air conditioner switch on, and inspect that the air conditioner is properly working. If the air conditioner is working, the air conditioning signal is okay. If the air conditioner is not working, suspect faulty ECM/PCM. Substitute the original unit with a properly working ECM/PCM unit and recheck the symptoms and the DTC indication. If the clicking sound is not heard with the original ECM/PCM, then momentarily ground the 14P connector terminal number 10, red wire of the underhood fuse relay box, with a jumper wire several times. At this time, check that the clicking sound is heard at the air conditioner compressor clutch. If the clicking sound is heard, then the wiring from the ECM/PCM connector terminal E18 to the air conditioner compressor clutch relay is judged to be open. Inspect for problematic area and repair. If the clicking sound is not heard, then inspect for other abnormalities of the air conditioning system.